Volume, it should be noted here, is higher than average, about 6% above, I should say, the daily average for the last 5 days.
And remember, for all the changes, the upside changes that we've seen in price targets, a lot of those analysts and strategists have said that it is possible we could go back and test some of the year-to-date lows. And at least for today, we're starting to see that effect. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lower by about 1% on the day, down about 370 points, right around that 34,000 level, while the S&P 500 looks like it's going to finish the day right around 4,329, down about 72 points or 1.64 below that 100-day moving average. Similar story for the NASDAQ Composite, which is lower by about 1.8% on the day, and the Russell 2000 also lower by about 1.6%.
Yeah, Vermin, in a sign of the bearish sentiment and risk-off trade, look at the S&P 500, 465 names to the downside today, 37 to the upside, 1 unchanged. If you look at the NASDAQ 100, you've got 95 lower, Scarlet 6 higher for the day. So really, investors not really wanting to even think about being even a bit bullish, it feels like, in today's trade.
Yeah, well, look at
Can I just say, too, this was one of those days where you had basically 90% of the S&P in the red, and that's something that is, at least as of late, has been relatively rare.
Absolutely.
And that shows up in the industry sector performances, too. This is the S&P 500's 24 industry groups. You can see everything is down. In fact, there are at least 8 groups that are down by more than 2%. So that's notable here. Real estate, investment trusts, retailers, and consumer durables and apparel, that's home builders, all down by 2.75% at least. The better performers, healthcare equipment, transportation, and household and personal products, your defensive sectors.